friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making roasted potatoes and carrots in the air fryer. So what we need is potatoes. I already washed them before making the video. And we need carrots. You can use either baby carrots, or if you're using regular carrots, make sure you peel them beforehand. And we need olive oil, or you can use any kind of vegetable oil. And seasonings, I will just use salt and pepper. You can use any seasonings you like. So now I'm going to cut potatoes into chunks. You can peel the potatoes if you want, or leave them unpeeled. It's totally up to you. These types of potatoes, they're great with the skin, so I'm just going to save some effort and not peel them. The less work, the better. So let's just cut them. And now I'll put cut potatoes in a bowl. And I'm going to add carrots. So I'll use about half of them. And now I'm going to sprinkle potatoes and carrots with salt and pepper. And add some olive oil. So you can use as little or as much as you'd like, and if you don't want to use oil, just don't. It just makes it more crispy and tasty. So now once I've added oil and seasonings, I'm going to toss. So the potatoes and carrots are coated with oil and seasonings. And now let's take out the air fryer basket. And I will add potatoes and carrots to the air fryer basket. And put the basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 25 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's shake. And you can also use a spatula to flip them over, make sure so it's cooked evenly. And now let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these roasted potatoes and carrots. They look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Let me take them out of the air fryer. Looks so good and so easy to make. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Let me just cut a potato. See, it's super soft. Cuts so easily, and the carrot is so soft. It tastes amazing, as good as it looks. You're going to love making roasted potatoes and carrots in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!